English dictation 80 words per minute. Start. Honorable Speaker Sir, besides there are some other basic problems to which are related to the employees and officers working in the power sector. Engineers of Electricity Board of Uttar Pradesh are on strike from today onwards, and the assistant engineers and junior engineers are going on strike from tomorrow and day after tomorrow respectively. Thereafter, all the employees of the board will go on strike. When the government of India and the state government has agreed to give a fresh look to transmission, generation, and the distribution of power, it is also required that a fresh approach be adopted in respect of the terms and conditions of the employees working in the power sector. Separate rule and regulation should be framed from their salaries and other allowances, because if their terms and conditions are not decided right now, then I think we will have to face a turbulent time ahead. There will be disputes between the workers and the management. If we will have such classes in the power sector, then instead of solving problem of power, we will be confronted with a lot of new problems and difficulties. The fourth point is related to the revenue collection, which is a serious problem, and almost daily we read about it in the newspaper. The High Court has issued a directive in this regard. The name of sitting and exemptions and leaders on which electricity bill amounting to rupees 2.50 lakhs to 3 lakhs are due have been published in the newspapers. This is the state of our leaders and the members of parliament. Same is the story of the big industrial houses, big capitalist, big commercial organizations who not only indulge in theft of electricity in connivance with Vidyut board, but also tamper with the meter readings. They ignore the tariff on electricity due against them and try for a cut in it. The revenue collection is a big problem.